We got gourmet Kreyol in Mattapan, Massachusetts. We got a plantain sandwich with French fries, and we got that mac and cheesy. That mac and cheesy. I've never had Haitian mac and cheese. This is Haitian food, as y'all can tell by the flag. Z-boy food. Z-boy. Yes, Z-boy. This baked mac and cheese smell good. This ain't no regular black folk mac and cheese. Like I said, this is that plantain sandwich. It got avocados, stewed chicken, and tomatoes. Whiskey. Yes, sir. Stewed chicken, nice and tender. Yeah. The tomatoes, the avocados, add so much flavor to it. But the plantain is still soft, you feel me? It's not overly crunchy. You would think this would be falling apart, but you could see. Firm. Let's try these French fries. These is like some leveled up McDonald's fries, but they taste good after they already old. You feel me? You know McDonald's fries don't last. These fries last. I paid $19.87, but DoorDash had a little discount for 20% off. This is the same sauce that's on that's on the sandwich and the chicken sandwich. This sauce hitting. They low-key might have leveled up from the last time I had them. I don't know if this is from the chicken or this is its own stew sauce, but the stew sauce is stewing. For sure, for sure. Grab me a little bit of pickles, throw the pickles on there just like that. Get a little bit of that stew sauce. 9.5 out of 10. Let's try this mac and cheese now. This drink smell like spectacular. This don't smell like your regular, like I said, black folk mac and cheese. It look like it got peppers in it, onions. See what they drink in on. Off the bat, you could get the peppers. I could taste the peppers all through there. It adds a nice flavor to it. This mac and cheese a 10, bro. This is some good mac and cheese. I can't even tell you how the cheese is. Like, it's not no regular cheese sauce you slapped it. I would say it kind of tastes similar to like Rasta pasta. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because of the peppers. But nah, this got this unique flavor to it. Overall, this a 10. Hit. Love y'all. See y'all later. Stay blessed.